Good morning, future champions. Today we are going to talk about something super exciting sports and famous sports persons. But first, tell me, what is your favorite sport? Cricket? Football? Badminton? Boxing? Or tennis? Which one? Comment in the comment box. Whoa, you all love different sports. And guess what? Every sport has superstars who have worked hard to become legend. Let's meet some of them. Mary Kom, the boxing queen. This is Mary Kom, India's greatest female boxer. She has won the World Boxing Championship 6 times. She is known as Magnificent Mary because of her power and skill in the boxing ring. Wow, she must be really strong. Yes, boxing needs strength, speed, and confidence. And guess what? Mary Kom is also a mother of 3 kids. That's amazing. She is like a superhero. Yes, kids. Look at this picture. PV Sindhu, the badminton star. Now let's meet PV Sindhu, the badminton star. We have PV Sindhu. She is one of India's top badminton players and won an Olympic silver medal. Badminton is so fun. Kids love playing it in the evening. Even I do, kids. Do you know Sindhu practices 6 hours a day to be the best? 6 hours. That's a lot of hard work. Kids, you must have seen playing boys cricket. But today we'll talk about Mithali Raj, the cricket legend. She is the cricket superstar, Mithali Raj. She is the highest run scorer in women's international cricket and has been the captain of the Indian team for years. I have seen her playing. She is amazing. Yes, she started playing cricket when she was just 10 years old. Imagine, she has hit more than 7,000 runs in her career. That's like running across the field thousands of times. Then we have Novak Djokovic, the tennis champion. Now, let's talk about a global tennis star, Novak Djokovic. He has won multiple Grand Slam titles and is known for his amazing speed and skill. Though tennis looks difficult, you have to be very fast, like super fast. Djokovic trains for hours to build stamina, strength, and focuses. That's why he is one of the best. Finally, let's meet one of the greatest football player of all time, Lionel Messi. He has won multiple awards and led Argentina to a World Cup victory. Messi is my favorite player. His dribbling is awesome. And did you know Messi was very short as a child, and doctors said he might not grow tall enough to play football professionally. But he worked hard and became a legend. That shows that nothing is impossible. Can you tell me, kids, what do all these sports persons have in common? Any guess? They work really hard. They never give up. Sport teach us hard work, discipline, and teamwork. Whether you love cricket, football, badminton, or boxing, the most important thing is to keep playing and stay active. Sports make us strong, smart, and determined. Let's keep playing, learning, and cheering for our favorite players. And if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share the video with your friends.